Using a Sharpie or other magic marker, place a small mark on the following slot locations on the left side gondola. Make these marks on both the left and the right uprights for the left side gondola. Mark slot numbers 4, 5, and 6, 11, 12, and 13, 43, 44, 45. Begin counting from the top of the upright. The uppermost slot is slot number 1. Install 2 panel support arms on the left side gondola. Their support brackets will go into slots numbers 11, 12, 13, and numbers 43, 44, and 45 on both the left and right uprights of the left side gondola. Now that the panel support arms on the left side of the gondola are in position, locate the 2 perforated panels and hang them on the 2 panel support arms. Once the perforated panels are placed in position, locate the panel drawers and slide drawers into the panel channels until the drawer is fully engaged. Now locate the 2 graphic channels which go on the top of the perforated panel. Install 2 graphic channels, each with their own support wires on the top of the perforated panel. 1 channel will be installed on the left panel, 1 channel will be installed on the right. Install the remaining 2 lower graphic channels in the appropriate locations on the face of each perforated panel. Install the large tiered basket by installing its support brackets into slots 4, 5, and 6 on both the left and right uprights of the left side gondola. Note that there is a spring-loaded retaining wire on each bracket. Pull the retaining wire towards yourself until the brackets are sealed in their slots, then release the retaining wires. Install one wood side panel on the left side of the left gondola. Attach with 6 plastic fasteners provided.